Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to do some progress monitoring. We are going to look at how to build some numbers on a number rack. We are going to look at making number trees and number sentences for each of these. So if you've been following along in your assignments, then this progress monitoring will not be difficult for you. If, however, you have not completed several of the assignments, and I have a few of you that have not done work for some days now, then you are going to want to go back and watch the teacher videos and complete the work and move through that prior to getting this progress monitoring done. Because remember, on progress monitors, we cannot move on to the next unit unless we get a certain number of points. And I want to tell you today how you're going to get your points. So let's click on the assignment. You're going to open it with Kami. And let's just zoom in on this. So it looks like this. And at the top, we've got a number rack that already has some beads drawn on it, and a number tree where both of the parts equal 9, and a number sentence where we've added the parts and we've gotten 9. So it says Sam made a combination of 9 on his rack. He drew a picture of his beads, so there were 5 on top and 4 on bottom. He made a number tree showing that there's 9 in all. Remember that the whole goes on top. The top part it was 5. And the bottom part was 4, and he added 5 and 4 together to get the whole, which is 9. Now your job is to show me another way to make 9, 2 more ways in fact. You are going to use this number rack and this number tree and this box for equations to show me a different way to make 9. Now remember, if you need help, you can always put that one finger to the side. Remember how we did that? And we looked at our other fingers like this, and we talked about, so one way was 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4 more. What's a different number I can put on top? And how many more will equal 9? And then fill in the number tree to equal 9 and a number sentence. And then one more way to equal 9 and make a number tree and fill in the number sentence. At the bottom, you are simply subtracting. Remember, when I subtract, I touch the top number, say its name, and count back on the other number. So you touch the number, use your points, write the answer below. That is it for this paper. It is very short. The bottom part is for me to mark my points. And speaking of points, I'm going to zoom back in here so you can see the whole assignment. Let's talk about how you're going to earn your points. You are going to earn 2 points, 1 point for each row. So on this first section, this first number rack, you are going to earn a point if you come up with another way, not 5 and 4, but something else, another way to make 9, and you've drawn some beads on top and you've drawn some beads on the bottom, and all together they equal 9. You're going to get a point if you write a matching number tree and a number sentence. You also get a point for part B, coming up with a second way to make 9, writing your number tree and filling in your number sentence. On the very bottom, each of these is worth a half a point. So if you get all of these correct, it is 2 points total. And so you get those points for solving all of the subtraction equations. So usually on a progress monitor, there is an individual interview. And I am going to kind of research and see about how many interviews I can get done in my day, because I have several students. If it is possible, it could be that I will assign you a time to get on the Google Meets and do an interview with the teacher. for your points, but also if it turns out not to be able to work, then what I'll probably do is just see how you do on this written assessment. And if you understand it and get your points, or most of the points on this record sheet right here, all of these down here, then we will move on. You have to have a minimum number of points in order to move on. If we don't earn the points, then we will be repeating these lessons that we've done since the beginning of online school, not because we're in trouble, but because we just need more practice in getting those things done. Sorry, hopefully that's not the case, but we'll see. Please message me and let me know if you're having any difficulties at all. I wish you the best, and I hope you have a great day. Boys and girls, we will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.